How to lock or unlock Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So as we all know, new iOS 18 version comes with the app lock feature. So in order to do that, simply long press on the Messenger app. Then from the drop-down menu, simply tap on the Require Face ID option available there. And once you tap on the Require Face ID, confirm it. Then whenever you open the Messenger app, you'll be authenticated with your Face ID. So once you give your Face ID, then it will be opened. Now in order to remove it, long press on it, then tap on the Remove Face ID. A confirmation Face ID will be appeared on your home screen. Now when you open the Messenger, it will be gone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.